Gawa naman tayo ngayon ng chicken teriyaki. Ito lang, lagyan natin ng about 3 teaspoon na toyo. Soy sauce or toyo. And then our seasoning. Liquid seasoning. Buhos-buhos lang, guys. Of course, lagyan din natin ng sake. Japanese wine, cooking wine. Sama-sama lang yan, guys. 3 tablespoon na sake. Huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi kayo malalasing. Then, sesame oil. Dagdag din natin yan, guys. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then, of course, our chopped garlic. Chopped ginger. So, ayan na, guys, ang ating sauce for our chicken teriyaki. So, mix-mix lang. So, set aside muna natin So, after mixing, set aside. And then, i-breading naman natin ang ating teriyaki wings. So, ayan. So, konting salt, konting asin sa ating cornstarch or all-purpose flour. Pwede. Depende on your choice. And then, of course, ready for frying. Fry our chicken for a crispy result. So, ayan guys, i-fry na natin siya. So, after frying, buhusan natin ating sauce na ginawa kanina. Ayan, our chicken teriyaki. Decor na natin siya ng onion leeks and sesame seeds. So, that's it guys. Ready for eating. Yan ang ating chicken teriyaki. Hope you like and subscribe.